Good afternoon, everybody. Late afternoon. We're coming to you live from the Torch Center. Thank you for joining us. We are a little bit in debt here. First is we have to catch up on two days of the Omer. Day number 12 and day number 13. 13 was last night. So we have to catch up on those 2 ways of the 48 ways, each one corresponding to one of the days of the Omer. So the 12th day of the Omer, we learn about Pilpul Talmidim. And that literally means with the discussion of students, but our sages tell us that what it really means is that the more you study, the more you're able to teach. But there's something unique about this. The more you teach, the more you actually learn. You see, sometimes we say, when I know it well enough, then I'll teach it. No. Decide that you're going to teach it, and you'll know it well enough.
It's close to
and it's right. So it's very important because to know this one idea, because the word lamed, which is the letter lamed, is the only letter that goes above the line. It's the only letter that goes above the line. Lamed means to learn, and lamed means to teach. It's the same word that tells you both of these things. So our sages say a very interesting thing. You take the hand of the lamed that goes above, receives from a teacher. The lamed goes parallel to discuss with a friend to gain clarity, and then it goes down to teach it to someone else. But you have to remember that the more you obligate yourself to teach, the more you'll learn and you'll internalize those messages. I once asked my rabbi, I said, is it okay for me to teach ideas based on what I want to learn? Meaning, if I want to learn a topic, I want to learn about anger, so I announce, I'll teach a class on anger, and that way I can learn about it, I can do all the, So he said, actually, that's his trick of how he does things. He wanted to learn, teach the laws of, some esoteric topic, some topic he's never gotten a chance to really study in depth. What he would do is, he would hang up a sign in the yeshiva, I'm teaching a class tomorrow at 3 o'clock on this and this topic. And now the clock is ticking. He has 24 hours to do all of the study, to understand the idea, to get all of the background, to do everything that is really incumbent upon someone who wants to learn something, to really do that research. So if you learn with the intention to teach it, right, you learn it so much better. And it's so important to make sure that we constantly are on the edge of teaching to other people. That's our responsibility. Be a teacher. Because the more you teach, the more you actually learn. The more you gain clarity. Alright? So that's way number 12. That's the 12th step in maximizing pleasure in life. Okay? So with that, my friends, we're going to sign off, and we'll share hopefully in a few minutes another way of maximizing pleasure for the 13th day of the Omer. Thank you so much.